So Jamsra with you again today. As I told you or promised you that I will tell you about how to write an effective advertisement. I will just teach you or tell you by the writing my own self. So I am present here today on my YouTube channel, and I will show you uh, how to write an advertisement so that you can get a whole marks. Now you can see there's a question of advertisement I have already written. The question is, you are Mukesh of 10, uh, you are Mukesh of 10, Rajaji Nagar, Mumbai. You want a music teacher for your daughter who is in class 10. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words. As I told you about the important points that you have to write an advertisement within the given word limit. So let's see and let's start. First, as I told you, I will just make a column or bracket, such type of we will make a bracket, but we didn't close it at the bottom, and we will write here about the situation it is given. I told you about that the situation is situation vacant because you need a teacher, you need a music teacher. So we will write in the middle of situation vacant. Okay, and we have to underline here. And then, as I told you, in a starting of very starting, in a very starting we will write bird, first bird, in a capital letters. That will be uh, wanted, because wanted, or it should be into capital letters. And what is the detail? Because you need a teacher, so wanted an experienced experienced female teacher, female teacher. You can write such type of, actually Mukesh has a daughter and he requires a female teacher for her, female music teacher, female music teacher, music teacher for the 10th class student, for the 10th class student. Then you have to just give in something more as you want to, as you wish. Now I have just attractive salary, attractive salary with the facility with the facility of transport. Okay, now just you can write more, because we have to see also a word limit. Interested candidates. Dates can contact to Mukesh. You can give the time also, from 7 to 10 a.m. at his residence. Okay, uh, and for more details, for more details, for more details, contact on here. Mobile would be provided in a question, but here it is not provided, so you can write any first digit, like as 9410 dot 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 dot, or meet directly. Here you can give the address of Mukesh, that it is given in a starting of, like Mukesh of 10 Rajaji Nagar, Mumbai. Now see this one. So directly on 10 Rajaji Nagar. Okay, Rajaji Nagar, Mumbai. Now you can just put it into a bracket. This is type of. So this is a notice. I just want to tell you again about the question. You are Mukesh of 10 Rajaji Nagar, Mumbai. You want a music teacher for your daughter who is in class 10. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words. 50 words से ज़्यादा का नहीं होना चाहिए ये. So I have just written in within 50 words. It may be a 30, 40. If it is effective, so 25, 30, 35 words are, it's okay. So I will start it in a starting of, you can just write a situation. So this is a situation vacant because Mukesh needs a teacher. So I have just given a first word in capital letters, as I told you yesterday in my video. Wanted, it is in capital letters. An experienced female music teacher for the 10th class, a student, attractive salary with the facility of transport. Interested candidates can contact to Mukesh from 7 to a.m. at his residence. For more details, contact on 9410 dot dot dot, because it's will be given into your question, but here it is not provided. or meet directly on 10 Rajaji Nagar, Mumbai. So this is a way of writing a advertisement. I told you about the situation backend. So I hope you will learn how to write an effective advertisement so that you can get a whole marks in your examinations. I hope you will watch the whole video, and if you like, so comment please, and also subscribe the channel so that I can make more and more videos for you as the same way. Thank you all of you. Bye. Have a nice day.